A very good morning, dear children. I hope you all are fit and fine at your homes. Welcome back to English class. So, children, open your English textbook, page number 28. Yes, in the last class, we have learned about A Fairy with Horns, which is written by Ruskin Bond. Yes, A Fairy with Horns, which is written by Ruskin Bond. So, children, before moving to the next part of the story, let's recall what we have learned in the last class. So, children, in the last class, we have learned that the speaker is a little boy and his favorite pet is that, little black goat, yes, who followed him home from the mustard field. Yes, so children, here the speaker is saying that each year before the monsoon rains came, the little Song River was a narrow stream. So children, narrow stream. Stream means what? Stream means a small narrow river. Yes, stream means what? Stream means river. Yes, so the speaker is saying that he liked wading across the river and then wandering through the fields and tea gardens. Means children, in the last class we have learned that the speaker liked wading across the river, then wandering through the fields and tea gardens. Wandering means moving aimlessly. Yes, watching the men moving about among the yellow mustard and the woman in their bright red sarees picking the tea. He liked those things like he liked wading across the river, wandering through the fields. Yes, he liked watching the men moving about among the yellow mustard and the woman in their bright red sarees picking the tea. So mustard fields means sarson ke khet. Yes, so children, now then we have learned that when the speaker had been sitting on the bank of that small irrigation canal gazing at a couple of herons. Herons means what, children? Large water birds. Here we can see some picture of, yes, herons. Herons means large water birds. Here we can see, yes, fishing in muddy water when he felt something bump his elbow. Yes, looking around, the speaker found, yes, a little goat, yes, jet black and as soft as velvet. Yes, the little goat was jet black and it was very soft as velvet with lovely grey eyes. Okay, so children, here, so we have learned this in the last class. So children, now let's continue the story. Let's continue the chapter. So children, now I will read this para. Listen to me carefully and put your finger on the line. So children, as I always says, when we reading something new, we came across with many new words. So at that time, what you have to do, children, you have to take your pencil and you have to underline those words and you have to write its meaning in the both languages, whether it's Hindi, Kannada. Okay, so now let's continue the chapter and just put your finger on the line and listen to me very carefully. Okay, neither her owner nor her mother was around. Neither her owner nor her mother was around. She continued to nudge me, so I looked in my pocket for nourishment and finding a ginger biscuit, held it out to her. Yes? Finding a ginger biscuit, held it out to her. She ate it with relish, then sat down beside me and began nibbling at the grass. A little later, when I got up to leave, the goat rose too. And when I started walking home, she followed me unsteadily, her thin legs taking her this way and that. Yes, she continued. Neither her owner nor her mother was around. She continued to nudge me, so I looked in my pocket for nourishment and finding a ginger biscuit, held it out to her. She ate it with relish, then sat down beside me and began nibbling at the grass. A little later, when I got up to leave, the goat rose too, and when I started walking home, she followed me unsteadily, her thin legs taking her this way and that. So children, what happened in this para, the speaker is saying that she continued to, neither her owner nor her mother was around. Means the jet black goat is there, no, she is all alone. Yes, there is neither her owner nor her mother was around. So she continued to nudge me. So underline the word nudge, N-U-D-G-E. Nudge means what? Push gently. Yes, she continued to push gently to the speaker. So the speaker looked in his pocket for nourishment and finding a ginger biscuit. So ginger biscuit means what, children? Let me show you the picture of that. Okay, wait. Hello children, you can see this is called ginger biscuit. Yes, biscuits. Yes, do you like this biscuits? So children, what happened? That jet black goat is there. No, she continued to nudge the speaker. So the speaker looked in his pocket for nourishment and he finds a ginger biscuit. Yes, and he held it out to her and she ate it with relish. So what is mean by relish? Relish means great enjoyment. Okay. So children, relish. So here another word is there like relish. Yes. So I already I have shown you some picture of that ginger biscuits. When the speaker held it out to her, she ate it with relish. She ate it with a great joy. Who? That jet black goat. Okay. So students, see here. Then sat down beside me and began nibbling. Then this goat sat down beside the speaker and just nibbling the grass. Nibbling means chabana. Nibbling means take small bites. Yes, taking small bites लेना. Yes, वो इतनी छोटी सी है, वो small bites लेगी घास की. Yes, so it's called nibbling. Yes, nibbling means small छोटे bites लेना. Okay, small bites लेना. So a little later, when I got up to leave, the goat rose too. Yes, and when I started walking home, she followed me unsteadily, her thin legs taking her this way and that. Means what, children? जब स्पीकर ने देखा कि वो जो गोट है उसके पीछे पीछे ही आ रही है, तो उन्होंने क्या किया, स्पीकर ने क्या किया, अपने पास के कुछ बिस्किट क्या किए, उन्होंने उस गोट को खिलाए और उस गोट ने बहुत ही खुशी से ग्रेट एंजॉयमेंट के साथ उसने सारे बिस्किट खा लिए. जब स्पीकर उठ कर जाने लगे तो वो गोट उसने क्या किया, उसके पीछे पीछे इधर कभी उधर कभी इधर, वो भी उनके पीछे पीछे जाने लगी. ओके, what happened, children? When a little later, when the speaker got up to leave, the goat rose too, and when the speaker started walking home and she followed him unsteadily. Yes, her thin legs taking her this way and that way. So the speaker said, "Go home," I said as she danced around me. Yes, the speaker says, "Go home." Yes, so when he says go home, the goat started dancing around the speaker, but she followed me to the river bed. So what happened, but उस जो गोट है उसने क्या किया, स्पीकर का पीछा नहीं छोड़ा, उसने उसको फॉलो करते हुए रिवर बेड की तरफ आ गई. So children, go home, I said as she danced around me, but she followed me to the river bed. It was obvious that her trembling legs would not stand up to the current. Trembling legs मतलब क्या होता है बच्चों? Use to tell someone. Trembling legs मतलब use to tell someone, किसी को कुछ बोलना या फिर ऐसे रुकना. क्योंकि वो बहुत ही छोटी थी तो उन्होंने क्या किया, स्पीकर ने क्या किया, उसको अपने हाथों में ले लिया, गोद में ले लिया. It was obvious that her trembling legs would not stand up to the current. So I took her in my arms. तो उन्होंने क्या किया, स्पीकर ने उस छोटे से गोद को अपने हाथों में ले लिया. Yes, I took her in my arms and carried her across the stream. So children, what is meant by stream? Stream means narrow river. When I set her down, she remained by my side, rubbing against my legs. तो जब उन्होंने अपने यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो, तो उन्होंने जब आप उस रिवर बेड के बाजू उसको बिठाया तो वो क्या करने लगी, उसको रब करने लगी अपने हाथों से पैरों से. Yes, so children, now I set out for home at brisk pace. So what is meant by brisk? Here another word is there, brisk. Brisk means quick. So the speaker set out for home at a brisk pace, feeling sure that I would soon leave the little goat behind. But her legs were stronger than I had supposed. She came hopping along right up to the gate of our house. So what happened, children? The speaker is thinking that अब मैं उससे पीछा छुड़ा दूंगा, मैं जल्दी जल्दी क्या करूँगा, आगे चलूँगा और वो पीछे रह जाएगी. Yes, but ऐसा हो गया नहीं, ऐसा नहीं हुआ. जब स्पीकर चलना शुरू करता है फर्स्ट, तब वो जो गोट है वो भी बहुत ही तेज़ी से आगे बढ़ती है और पीछे आते हुए उनके घर के गेट तक जा पहुंचती है. कौन? goat. Yes, so children, what happened when the speaker set out for home at a brisk pace, feeling he was very sure that he would soon leave the little goat behind. But what happened, children? Actually, do you know what happened? Her legs were stronger than he had supposed. Yes, her legs were very stronger than what the speaker had supposed. So she came hopping along right up to the gate of speaker's house. Yes, there was nothing I could do but carry her in and present her to grandfather. So there is no way to left. Yes, तो बच्चों स्पीकर के पास तो कोई रास्ता ही नहीं बचा सिवाय उसको घर लेके जाने के, क्योंकि उन्होंने कितना कोशिश किया लेकिन फिर भी वो गोट क्या हो गई, उनके पीछे पीछे आते ही चली गई और अभी यस उनके घर तक पहुंची. शी केम होपिंग अलॉन्ग राइट अप टू द गेट ऑफ द स्पीकर्स हाउस. Yes, children, there was nothing that he could do but carry her in and present her to his grandfather. Yes, children. So the next part of the story we will continue in our next class. Till then, stay home, stay safe. What you have to do, children, you have to read the whole lesson 2 times, okay, and you have to writing continuously the copywriting you have to do, and also you have to write at least 20 difficult words and its meaning. Okay, this is your homework. So the next part we will continue in our next class. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Bye bye.